Love, and in today's video I'm going to be doing Android Studio. So this is the second video, and here we are going to do some user interaction, so that what is going to happen is if we are going to learn about toasts, and then also we are going to see like what is logcat and other things. So let us start. So firstly I'm going to be doing the logcat. So let me start a new Android Studio project, empty activity, and name it as logs, and then leave everything as it is. So firstly, what is logs? So logs is like a place where you can store some information. It doesn't affect your app by any means. It just like says that something has happened. For example, if we click a button, it will say this button is clicked. So that is firstly what we are going to do. I'll just show you how a log works, and then we'll go straight into the next thing, which is how to use toasts, which will give us user interactivity. So after this, what I'm going to do is I'll just show you after this video. Next video we are going to be making an app in which we can do login. So user login, and then it will just display what is your account name and everything. So for that we need to first do this. First we need to understand this. So let's go to text. Let's remove this Android, and then you can, using your mouse cursor, you can increase the size. So button, so we are going to keep its text as we are just going to click, and then ID is button, doesn't matter. Okay, then let's go to main activity. Then here we'll declare the button. Then here in that on create, we are going to declare button is equal to find view by ID r, which is resources dot id dot button, and then semicolon. Then we are going to do button dot set on click listener new view on click listener. Then on click, then comes an on click method in which we are just going to do log dot I, and then here we are going to do I log dot I, which is information, and then we are going to keep this as info. This is the tag, and then text is button is clicked. So the logcat is here. So then when I run it, let the emulator run. Okay, I forgot to add the semicolon. 1 second, let me run it again. An error will come, so let me just wait. Yeah, I knew that error would come. So yeah. So now let's just wait for a second. going to happen is that in that logcat it's going to show info, and then it is going to show a button clicked as the message. So let it just install into our emulator. So then click it, then we go to logcat, see here button clicked, we click it, see button clicked. So that is how logs work. So now we are going to close this logs, and now we are going to do a new project which is toast. So next, and we are going to do toasts. So what is a toast? So if you know, whenever you like do something, if you are on Android, your phone is Android, you must be knowing toasts. It's something like when you click something or do something, then a small black message appears at the bottom. So I'll just show you a way how to do it. So remove this text view. Also we are going to do the types of layout. So the layout which I am going to use here is linear layout, because we want the layout so that it comes in order, like first this then that. And then we are going to do over here main activity, and then we are going to type the orientation, which is very important, and we are going to do vertical. Then we are going to have a edit text, wrap with match parent wrap context, and then the hint is write your name, and then ID is going to be edit text, because like we don't have anything else, so it doesn't matter. Then edit text. Okay, so yeah, that is all what we need to do, and then we can just keep the size as something like 25 sp. Then we are going to have our button, and then both wrap context, and we are going to set the text as click this button after writing name. Okay, and then ID @ID click, just click, it doesn't matter. Okay, then we go to main activity and declare both of these. So let's go to main activity.java. So here we are going to declare both edit text, and then button click. So then after that we are going to do edit text is equal to find view by id r.id.edit text, and then click is equal to find view by id r.id. Click, and then we are going to do that on click listener. So there's another way on doing this button. So what we can do is that we can just add an on click method, which is going to be click button. And then we are going to do public void click button So we are going to have it before this. So the way to do this is public void. Then public means it can be used anywhere. Void click button, and because it's a method, use those brackets. So here you don't need the button click, so you can remove this button click if you want, because that click button is already just saying that. And this edit text, you need to have it in this method. So edit text is equal to find view by id r.id.edit text. So you can use any method which you want for this, but I prefer the first one which I did, which was using that button dot on click listener and using the view on click listeners. Next, what we are going to do is if edit text dot get text dot toString dot is empty. So if that string is empty, then what we are going to do is we are going to do toast. So if you use the second one, it will create a toast for you, and if you use the first one, then you will have to create the toast. So here we are going to do main activity dot this. Then text is going to be enter a name, and then the time we are going to keep it as long, so which is going to be 1 second long. Then after that else, and here we are going to do toast main activity dot this, and text is going to be edit text dot get text dot toString plus, which is going to concatenate this and then open and then quotes and then write is your name. So let's see if this works. So let's run it. So what is going to happen is that if it is empty, then it's going to say enter a name, and then if it is like else, if there's something written in it, then it will print that is your name. So let's see how it works. Okay, so let's do nothing first. So toast has stopped. Let's see. Okay, I forgot to write here view, because then it won't be viewed. So firstly you have to do view, and then now it will work. So that was the error. The view is needed, or else if it is not clicked, then nothing will happen. That view is very important. So Gradle invocation is finished, and now if we just click this button, enter a name, and then if I write my name love, so it is going to write love is your name. So okay, that is it for this video. So what we have learned in this video is logs and toasts. So next video we are going to learn how to make a login app, a user login app, and then we are going to print that out. So I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and please stay safe and bye.